Wagwan viewers, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, today I got a quick one for you, all about my top 5 best upsells. So we're gonna dive straight into it. Number 1 on the list is applying a spray-on, rinse-off sealant of your choice. I love the Geon Wet Coat, right? It's an easy upsell, my people. All you gotta do is when you're detailing somebody's ride, you can say to them, sir, client, whoever, would you like to apply some protection on your paint? It would boost the hydrophobics, the slickness, so on and so forth, right? That's an easy upgrade to do. It will take you probably what, 5-10 minutes to spray on the product, rinse it off, and bam, just like that, you'll have extra cash to add on to that final bill. All right, number 2 on the list is to add an interior protectant, right, my people? I love to use 303. Another easy upsell. You can say, client, your panels are now clean. How would you like to add some protection on them for an extra cost, right? It will help, protect against UV rays, give you a nice OEM finish, so on and so forth. It's an easy upsell, again, to tack on an extra fee to that bill. Moving forward, number 3 on the list is to clean and condition leather seats. Check it out right here, my people. I have my cleaner here, I have my conditioner here, my Scrub Ninja to do the cleaning, and my applicator here to apply the conditioner. Easy upsell. You might be detailing somebody's ride and you notice that their leather seats look pretty dirty and probably cracking up a bit. Hey client, how would you like for me to clean your seats and condition your leather? Another easy fee to add on to that final bill. All right, my people, number 4 on the list is headlight restoration. You could be pulling up to a client's vehicle and notice that the headlights are looking pretty foggy. It's an easy thing to say to the client. Yo, client, your headlights are looking pretty foggy there, man. How about I clean them up for you, restore them for you so they look brand new? He might say yes or no, but guess what? If he does say yes, you can clean them up, and you can even go further and say, client, how would you like me to protect them for you with a sealant or ceramic coating, so on and so forth. All right, number 5 on the list is steam cleaning. Check out my McCulloch 1375 right here. Viewers, this is an easy upsell, especially to those clients who like their interior spick and span squeaky clean. The key here is to upsell the point that it sanitizes the interior. You know what I'm saying? So, it kills all the germs, bacteria, all them kind of things, right, my people? So keep that in mind when you're dealing with customers who love a squeaky clean interior. All right, viewers, that wraps up my top 5 best upsells. Detailers out there, drop me some comments. Let me know what your best upsells are. I would like to know. Trust me, guys, all the products and tools I typically use are all linked in my description, so make sure you check that out. You already know, every Wednesday, 4 p.m., I got some new hot content for you. Like, share, subscribe. Every time, guys. Respect.